back to TL PATHAK Group Machinery Showrooms. This is where we manufacture a wide range of machines. This video is going to be very interesting, so before we proceed, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay connected. So that's it for today's video. If you want to purchase any machine from our showroom, make sure to look out for the TL PATHAK Group logo. That's it. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.